Hi guys, today I got Shopkins and we got different kinds of Shopkins. Even to Juno, we got a big stuffy and I got my favorite helper, Morgan. Say hi.
Hi.
Let's get started. Let's first open up the bag. We got this folder mark, so you get a book and you put it in your folder to read. We got cookie, strawberry kiss, cheeky chocolate, and delish donuts. We got some new felts. This bag's really cute also.
Let me put the water down.
These felts, we have the color blue, yellow, and pink. Pink is a cupcake. Yellow is a birthday cake because you know wishes can be yellow. We got a blue felt. And these are also new felts. What a pretty pink. Then we got wishes. This is also a very cute bag. So we got Wedgie, we got Bun Bun Slipper, and we got Promi. But I don't know what those two are. I love the bag. Then we got this big, humongous stuffy. Her name's Apple Blossom. She's very cute. She's very soft. My favorite part is the little tiny worm. Then, I got this for my birthday, so I'm gonna open it up. So we got these pink little pencils. We got this one. Then we got Colonel Mustard. We got Spilt Milk. He's a season 1. My dad got a piece of paper for me, so let's try them out. So let's first start with the felts. First I'm going to start with wishes. It's kind of like color, you can't really see it in the camera. Then we got a sundae. This is a very nice dark blue. Then we got the last but not least, a little pink. Nice page. Now, make sure you close these lids on these things because they're kind of hard. If you got them, see if you got another pack of them. Let's try one of these. Oh, they're very sharp. Let's try erasing with, I think, Colonel Mustard. They don't erase on these things, these erasers, but they don't really erase. So, good job. Maybe we could write a little something. There's my picture I drew. Happy! So let's see what we got here. We got Colonel Mustard, Spilt Milk. See, we can line them out. Spilt Milk, nail polish. Go right there. Then we got ice cream. Now let's try this pencil. Let's use it works. Bye-bye. Oh, just wait. My favorite one today is Spilt Milk. And then my last one is pineapple. Bye, you guys. Thanks for watching. Burn, 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 burn.